name is Hannah, your favorite perfectly imperfect scribble artist, and today I will be doing some Thanksgiving card tutorials for you. So if you want to make your own cards this year, make sure you follow along. Also, I post videos every Monday and Wednesday, so definitely subscribe to my channel so you get all of that awesome content. You can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, and all of that stuff. And then one last thing before we start, I will be using exclusively Scribble Lady supplies for this tutorial today. That means I will be using the Scribble Lady glass pen kit, Scribble Lady watercolor paper, which folds in half to be the size of a card perfectly, and Scribble Lady watercolor paint. And last but not least, I will also be using Scribble Lady brand brushes. So if you like any of the supplies that you see in this today, I will link them in the description below and you can purchase them from scribblelady.com if you like. Now, without further ado, let's start the video and get drawing. So we have the rough shape of a yam, and these are going to be slices of yam. I am thankful for you. Oh, it's cute. This one's hard because you want to make sure it looks like a yam and not something else, but I feel like I did a pretty good job making that look like a yam. Okay, up next. Okay, so this one, we already wrote eat, drink, nap, and now we're just going to outline it twice like I like to do. And notice that I'm not being super particular about following the color that I put down. And then I'm just going to go and add dots and squiggles all over it. There, that one's done. Cute. Eat, drink, nap. So this one, we're going to draw some corn. Okay, ooh, cute. Okay, so we have the corn. And then we're going to write just another corny card. I was gonna write just another corny Thanksgiving card, and you can totally write that, but I think that this one will be more versatile. You can use it for literally any holiday. Oh, it's so cute! This is a very red wine bottle. Okay, so we're gonna start by drawing the wine in the wine glass and the wine bottle, and I'm gonna add just a smidge of brown to this so it's not as red. Okay, so for this one, we're going to draw the glass of wine. And then the bottle of wine. Ah, cute. Okay, this is the last Thanksgiving one. We're gonna start with the gobble. And some darker brown notes in here. Maybe we'll add in a few hints of orange also. Okay, so we have the feathers, the body, the gobble, and then a space for the head. Oh, and then we need the feet. Okay, let's draw this turkey. cute. I like this one, gobble till you wobble. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure you made some awesome cards. Your family and friends are going to love them. Thank you so much for coming here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment of what you want to see next, and also check out all of my social medias, and you can also check out scribblelady.com for all of the art supplies that were used in this video. And I post videos every Monday and Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video.